Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's been a very long time since I posted. Obviously, we've been in quarantine. When you have a baby or children, that's a lot to deal with sometimes. So I have not made the time to make a video, but I'm finally sitting down because I have time. So today I just wanted to do a makeup tutorial because I found a new way to do my makeup that I really love, and I feel like it makes my makeup look a lot more flawless. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. First, I'm gonna start with Mario Badescu and just spray it all over my face. Let that dry. I'm gonna go in with a new primer I bought. This is the Hard Candy Pore Defense Primer. It's a 12-hour pore refining primer, and it minimizes the appearance of pores. And this is something new that I got a while ago, but I've actually been super loving it. I believe this was $6 or $7, and literally this is like the amount that I use because most of the pores that are very noticeable are on my nose. I just literally put it on my nose and rub it in. For $6 or $7, this is a really great buy, and I really have been enjoying it. This is where the makeup hack that came in that really changed the game for me personally is where you put powder on before your foundation. I'm using Superstay Better Skin still. I gotta use it till it's gone. Putting on the powder, I'm not sure really what it does before the foundation, but just doing it, I saw that my skin looked a lot more smooth and just even overall. After that, you just take your foundation and go ahead and put it on. I have a new foundation. It is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup Foundation. I changed to this because I thought my old foundation was a little too dark and realized it was. I'm not a huge fan of how this comes just because obviously there's no pump or anything, so I kind of have to shake it and just get it on my finger. It's super light. I would say light to medium coverage for sure. Right now my skin's kind of behaving, which is really rare for me because the last time I was pregnant, I was just breaking out like crazy. Okay, finally done. So if you guys are looking for a new foundation, I would definitely give that one a try. I have not switched to a new bronzer yet, so I'm still gonna use Ulta Beauty's bronzer. This is in the shade Warm. I use this like crazy, obviously, because it's my only bronzer. And then because I don't do the most amazing job, I just take my powder brush and kind of blend away. I just try to blend and make sure that it looks good. I got a new blush and I'm pretty happy because I've had pink blushes, but I really gear more towards peach. And I found a Milani blush in the shade Romantic Rose. And I just really love this blush because it's more peach, but it still has a tinge of pink in it. So I've just super been enjoying the color, and it's just so pretty. Kind of pat it on my cheek now. So we have finished pretty much my face. You know what I totally forgot? Concealer. I don't know why lately I've been forgetting concealer, but let's put concealer on now because I've done this before and it still blends out fine. Just put a little bit to cover up my under eye and just highlight. And I used the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. I've had this for such a long time. Next up is my favorite step, eyes. And I'm very excited because I got this new palette. This palette is from Profusion Cosmetics, which I've used their palettes before and I've loved them. And this one is in Starlit, and I just thought these shades were so beautiful. I had to get this palette, and I still haven't decided what colors I want to use. It is a hard decision sometimes. I just feel like the pink is calling my name, and I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna do a pink look today. I'm going to take this color and kind of put that as our crease color. I really feel like these palettes are such good price points and the payoff is really good. So far, I am loving this color. It is like a beautiful mauve pink. I love that. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade to kind of darken up the crease. So hopefully that will help. I just kind of lifted my eyebrows to pull my lid skin kind of up so I could get a bit into that crease a bit more precisely. I am just loving this palette so far, for real. I'm going to be taking this beautiful pink color, and what we will be doing is putting that as the crease color. But let me rub it on my finger. Wow. Let me see if I can get it closer. I mean, that's a lot of payoff, I feel like. Oh, man. This is literally so legitimately beautiful. I'm gonna try taking a brush like this, maybe to see if it can pick up the product. And it did a lot. Ooh. So let's see how that goes. Oh man. That is literally just a beautiful color though. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and put it in my crease to darken my crease. And then I'm actually gonna go in with this color to deepen up the outer corner. It does look a bit patchy here. But again, that's probably because I didn't put a base down. That would probably help a lot. I put some shadow in there so it would cover up the patchiness. It would help. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave the eyes like that for now, and then just take a baby wipe to clean up. Okay. I think for this look, I'm actually just gonna do eyeshadow liner and just make a liner. I have been loving to take one thick mascara and then apply it and then kind of spread it out with a thinner wand and a thinner mascara. So I have been loving this duo together. This is Ulta Beauty's Plush Drama Volumizing Mascara. And then this is Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. The reason I love the Wet n Wild one again is because it is a very thin wand, and I think it just helps spread all my eyelashes out. I take the thick one. Once you add that second layer, I feel that it definitely lengthens a lot more. I don't love to put on fake eyelashes all the time. I think this is just a faster, easier method for my eyelashes. Take some of the darker mauve color we used for the outer crease and kind of just smoke out the bottom lash line. And there is a beautiful inner crease corner color that I'm thinking about using. I'm going to use this pink shade. I kind of love when two glitters blend together. These two colors together are still very beautiful. And I think that's it. So as you can see, there are some glitter speckles on my nose and all over here. I will go ahead and put on some false lashes. These are the Kiss Fall lashes that I've been liking a lot. It just has number 11. I forget what they're really called. I'm going to be taking my Duo Glue, which is my number 1. Let's see if I can put on these lashes. Oh no, there's glitter all over my shirt. I've decided that this glitter has an extreme amount of fallout, so beware. Okay, and I'm not the best at putting on my lashes, so bear with me. So far, I am not disappointed. The lip I'm choosing for today is my new favorite nude lip. It is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Driver, 55 Driver. Once it dries down, it actually just dries down. It does not transfer. So it's very nice to find a product that actually lives up to its word. I love the type of nude it is, and it just stays on all day for real. I wore it all day yesterday, and I even ate food. I ate Burger King and it did not come off, and I was thoroughly surprised, but very happily surprised as well. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to try the powder before you put on your foundation, see if it's any different for you. I actually love how this look turned out, and I was very happy with it and got compliments throughout the day. And again, I really love the Profusion palette. So if you're looking for a palette to try, definitely go head to Walmart and pick one up. But I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys next time and very soon. Bye!